Hi, welcome to the tutorial for QC comments in CORTEX. I'm Ian, and today I'll be walking you through how to add QC comments to your compositions and how to generate a comments report, whether associated with an IMF or a regular composition. Today we'll be working in a regular composition, so it's helpful to have been through our Edit tool and IMF packages tutorials before joining us here to learn about QC comments. Function key help for this tool is available in the Help menu, and as we go through the tutorial, keyboard shortcuts will appear on screen for easy reference. Alright, here we go. CORTEX has the ability to add QC comments to a composition in every tool where that composition timeline is visible. Navigate to the frame of the composition where you want to add a comment, and press Ctrl-Shift-O, or right-click on the timeline and choose Add Comment from the context menu. The Add Comment box will appear. Add your comment, assign it a severity, and click OK. Comment markers appear as vertical lines located on the timecode track and are colored according to their severity rating. 0 rates the comment as a comment only and will appear as a light gray marker. 1 rates the comment as a minor issue and will appear as a yellow marker. 2 rates the comment as a major issue and will appear as an orange marker. And 3 rates the comment as a critical issue and will appear as a red marker. To navigate between comments, press Ctrl-Shift-S or Ctrl-Shift-F to select the previous or next comment. To edit or delete a comment, navigate to the comment marker and press Ctrl-Shift-O, or right-click on the timeline and choose Edit Comment from the context menu. Once again, QC comments can be added in all CORTEX tools where a composition timeline is visible, which includes the Color tool, the Edit tool, and the QA tool. To export a PDF report of your QC comments, right-click on the composition in the sidebar and choose Export Reports. In the dialog box, make sure the QC Comments PDF checkbox is enabled. Then press OK. Comments are listed in chronological order with a snapshot of the marker frame and pertinent metadata. And that is the tutorial for QC comments in CORTEX. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials by going to tutorials.mtifilm.com. For support, to submit a help ticket, or to find other useful information about CORTEX, please check out forum.mtifilm.com. Thanks!